Hey everyone, welcome to Westanime tutorials that we can learn more about the basics. We are going to learn about place value in this video. Place value shows the number value of a digit depending on where it is placed. Now digits are numbers 0 to 9. Each represent amount of things like books in our daily lives. Now, if I add one more book to 9 books, what will you get? We can group them into 10 books, which is one group of 10. Let's look at the number 37. Now 37 we can break into 30 and 7. 30 is actually 3 groups of 10s, and 7 is 7 ones. What happens if we have 10 groups of 10? Now, if 10 groups of 10, we can group in together into 100. We can see here that there is 1 in the hundreds place. Let's look at the names of the place values. Starting from the numbers all the way to the right, we have the ones place. The place value beside it, we call it the tens place. After that is the hundreds place. The place value after that is thousands place. Next we have the 10,000s place and 100,000s place, and also millions place. Note that we have a lot more place values after that, but we will stop from here for now. Now the number 7 is on the ones place. The value is 7. Number 6 is in the tens place. The value is actually 60. The number 5 is actually on hundreds place. The value is 500. Number 4 is in the thousands place. The value is actually 4,000. The number 3 is on 10,000s place. The value of that number is 30,000. Number 2 in this number is in the hundreds thousands place. The value is 200,000. Now the number 1 is in the millions place. The value is 1 million. Now to understand the value of each number better, we try to make the number in its expanded form. Let's try 4,785. 4 is actually in the thousands place. The value is 4,000. The number 7 is in the hundreds place, so the value is 700. 8 is in the tens place, so the value is 80. So 5 is in the ones place, the value is only 5. So we expand 4,785 is 4,000 plus 700 plus 80 plus 5. Time to test yourself. What is the place value of the digit 5 in each number? You want to find out? Let's try it. Now let's try to expand the following numbers. Thanks for watching our video. Don't forget to like, share our video, and subscribe for more videos to come.